Hey, how are you? So today I'm going to be doing my first SFX slash Halloween look for 2020. I'm going to be doing the Joker, obviously. I'm going to be mixing in a bunch of traits from all the different Jokers because I'm not very knowledgeable on superheroes and villains. I'm not really a big fan of all that stuff, but the Joker is really cool. And there are a lot of different people who have played him, a lot of different vibes and looks that he has given us over the years, and at this point, from what I've learned, I can just do whatever I want and it'll just look how it's supposed to be, because from what I've heard, his origin story isn't really set in concrete, and it's that adds to the suspense and mystery of it all. So I'm going to be doing the makeup from the newer movie, which I believe is more of his origin story. I didn't see it, I'm sorry, I should have watched it, but where he has the blue and the red, but I'm also going to incorporate the scars because I couldn't really find anything that told me whether or not he would have had those scars in that time frame. I don't understand any of this. I'm just making my own spin on it, okay? One version that I did like a lot was by Johnny Cios over on Instagram. He made it look like dripping paint, and I really like that. I want to make him look scary and rained on, and the makeup's coming off, but it's not off. I want to just make him look scary, but in my own way. So first I'm going to start off with the SFX portion and do the smile, and then after that we're going to see if I should remove my eyebrows or not, and yeah, we'll just see where it goes. So for the SFX portion, I'm just going to rip in half some tissues and rip those halves into little strips, and then put some liquid latex on the back of a brush, like the handle, and attach them like that. First I'm going to go in with a white cream eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to map out where I want the smile to go around. I really want to elongate the face because that was a very prominent feature in the comics and maybe in the show. I don't remember, but I knew that his elongated face was very scary. They kind of made him look like Slender Man in the comics and stuff eventually, so that's the kind of vibe we're going to give off. We're going to try to give off. So I have this ColourPop blush that I always use, and I'm going to use the top of it to hold some of my liquid latex, so it's easier for me to grab like that. Alright, let's do this. I forgot how bad this smells. Back with my Momo Halloween look, I used black on this part of my face to make it more elongated, and I will probably do that here too. I gotta work fast with this latex, so I can't really be talking. Alright, I'm just going to layer on more tissue and latex, and I'll be right back when I'm ready to move on. Okay, so I only did 2 layers, and I took these tweezers and used the back of them to open up and create a little, lake, I guess, between the two. This one turned out really nicely. I'm really, proud of that one. This one is okay, but the Joker's scars aren't really even and photogenic anyway, so I think it's fine. So now I guess I'll take off my eyebrows. I'm trying to not use makeup wipes anymore, but I just have 3 packages that I haven't even opened yet, so obviously I have to use those. Well, that's drying, I guess. I'm going to put some black eyeshadow right in the deepest parts of the cut. I guess I will glue down my eyebrows. I really don't want to glue them down, but I know that they'll show through the white makeup and that's going to make me not happy. So, I'm going to glue my eyebrows with just a Elmer's glue stick. I'm not very good at covering my eyebrows, so if you want a tutorial on that, there are definitely way more videos from other people. And since we're going for like a messier look anyway, it's not that big of a deal. I doubt the Joker, if he was a real life person, would care if his eyebrows were perfectly covered. So, we're gonna just try to think like him. Alright, while that is drying, I'm going to put a little bit of my Benefit Professional primer on my face. Might be a little too late to do that, but it's fine. I haven't done makeup for like filming or anything in a long time, so I really like don't know what I'm doing anymore. But that's fine. Alright, I just did the one layer of glue, and then I blow dried it, and then I did another layer of glue, and then I blow dried it, and it's still a little like textured and bumpy, but a way to help with that is when the glue is pretty much dry or just all the way dry, you take like a flat surface and then just really push the hairs down. I find that this trick works for me really well, and it makes it nice and smooth and gets rid of all the like hair texture. Since I'm going to be painting my whole face white, I'm just going to take some of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer right on top. And I think I'm just going to blend that with my finger. It looks so funny. Right now I'm going to cover the rest of my face with that same concealer and my BH Cosmetics white concealer. I'm going to blend that out using my Morphe sponge. Look at that old commercial for the McDonald's sundae. So right now I'm just adding another layer of tissue and latex to make it blend better into the face because the concealer kind of made it not do that. Okay, now I'm going to work on my face being all white, a nice uniform shade of white, and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to do the blue and red portions. For the blue, I'm going to use the Makeup Murder Neon Poison Pigment. It is water activated, so it's going to give me that like drippy look that I want. And the red, I think I'm just going to use a red liquid lipstick. We are not going to say what brand it is because we do not support this brand anymore. If you see the packaging, no you didn't. I'm looking down because it makes me look scary. I'm also not going to set anything, which is like a big no-no, but I'm not going to do that because I want everything to look like wet and gross. This looks good. Now I need to do the red with the lipstick. So like I really want to do sad clown eyebrows, but they're already gonna be like way up there, so like I don't. But at the same time, I don't know. I'm also going to give myself like a bloody nose a little bit. Just gonna like smudge it. Yeah, this looks cool. I was going to do the nose like how everybody else did, but I also really like the little circle. It like adds more to the creepy factor in my opinion. Now I'm just gonna do the red eyebrows. I went with the sad clown eyebrows, of course. Now I'm going to add some black shading in my waterline and around my eye to just make it look more sunken in and like scary. Now I'm going to take a white eyeshadow and blend that in with the black on my lids. And kind of like set my eyelids with this as well. I keep spraying the blue to try to make it like drip down. Come on. I'm going to now take my 35i Ice Fantasy palette from Morphe and try to contour using the dark gray shade and the light gray. I can't really describe the technique I'm using or the placement, but I'm just trying to make my face look more elongated. I'm also going to lightly contour my nose with that gray shade, that light gray, and my eye sockets. Now I'm going to take that black eyeshadow and, as mentioned, just try to elongate my face. I'm also going to shade the right up here. I really like how this is. I don't know if I'm going to add lashes or not. Probably not, just to keep it more scary. But now I'm just going to take the back of a different brush and a little bit of fake blood and put that in the scar crack. Now I think I'm going to take a bit of my white concealer and a small pencil brush, small pointed brush, whatever, and make some highlights in the, whatever these are, the eyebrows and stuff. Alright, I will be right back with the finished look. Here's the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload. Keep wearing your mask, stay safe, be kind to each other, be kind to yourself, and comment how your day's going. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! The power within, the power within, the power within, the power within.